Imagine this. Every dollar you invest today has the potential to multiply tomorrow, creating a financial safety net for your future. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Most beginners dive into the stock market without a plan, and guess what? They lose money. But not you, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing in the stock market the right way. Whether you're in college, working your first job, or dreaming about financial freedom, this guide is for you. And no, it doesn't involve betting your rent money on random stocks, hoping they turn into the next Amazon overnight. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid strategy to kickstart your investing journey. Act 2. Conflict and rising action. Point 1. Why you should start investing now. Let's start with why investing now is critical. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Did you know that $100 invested every month at a 7% annual return could grow to over $120,000 in 30 years? But here's the scary part. Not investing is like leaving free money on the table. Inflation eats away at your savings every year, making your hard-earned cash worth less over time. So, the question isn't should I invest? It's how soon can I start? But before you rush into it, let's talk about the first steps every beginner must take to avoid rookie mistakes. Point 2. Understanding the basics of investing. Now, before you jump into buying stocks, you need to understand the basics. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are like lending money to a company or government, and mutual funds pool money from investors to buy a diversified portfolio. But here's the deal. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't need to master everything at once. Start simple. Focus on index funds or ETFs, which track the market and offer lower risk for beginners. Think of them as the training wheels for your investing bike. You'll still move forward, just with fewer wipeouts. But understanding is just the start. Let's talk about the tools you'll need to begin. Point 3, choosing the right platform and setting goals. Today, investing is easier than ever. Platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and Fidelity make it simple to buy and sell stocks with just a few taps. But here's my advice. Don't pick a platform just because it's trendy. Choose one that aligns with your goals, whether it's long-term wealth or short-term trading. Speaking of goals, set them before you start. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or just testing the waters? Your goals will define your strategy and risk tolerance. But there's one thing most beginners overlook that can make or break their success: managing risk. Let's dive into that. Point 4. Managing risk and avoiding common mistakes. Investing is exciting, but it's not without risks. The market goes up, and yes, it also goes down. That's why you need to diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset types to minimize risk. And here's a pro tip. Always invest money you can afford to lose. Don't dip into your emergency fund or borrow money to invest. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Unless, of course, you enjoy explaining to your landlord why your rent money is tied up in meme stocks. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a confident investor. But what's next? Starting your investing journey isn't just about growing your wealth. It's about taking control of your future. You now have the tools and knowledge to make your first move in the stock market. The next step? Take action. Even the smallest investment today can lead to big rewards tomorrow. Watch next, Crypto and Stock Market Trading Secrets. This is my favorite thing, trading like a pro, crypto and stocks. And if you're ready to level up your investing game, check out my next video on Trading Like a Pro, Crypto and Stock Market Secrets. It's packed with tips to help you maximize your returns. Click the link on the screen now, and let's take your financial future to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's ready to start their investing journey. See you in the next one. This is my favorite thing, trading like a pro, crypto and stocks. Watch next, Crypto and Stock Market Trading Secrets.